What if I told you that a single $5,000 decision in your 20s could be worth over $1 million later in life? Sounds unrealistic, right? But this isn't hype. It's not crypto. It's not a risky business idea. It's something far more powerful, and it's already built into your 401k. Most people hear the term compound interest and immediately tune out. It sounds technical, complicated, maybe even boring. But here's the truth. Compound interest is the difference between retiring comfortably and working longer than you planned. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly what compound interest is, why time matters more than how much you invest, and how your 401k can quietly turn small contributions into serious wealth. If you've ever wondered whether starting now really makes a difference, this video might completely change how you think about money. Let's get into it. What is compound interest really? At its core, compound interest is interest earning interest. It's when your money grows, and then that growth starts generating its own growth. Imagine you invest $5,000. If it grows by 10% in a year, you now have $5,500. The next year, you're not earning interest on just $5,000, you're earning it on $5,500. That extra $500 starts working for you too. Over time, this snowball effect becomes incredibly powerful. The key ingredient here isn't just the rate of return, it's time. The longer your money remains invested, the more opportunities it has to compound. This is exactly why financial experts emphasize starting early. A small amount invested in your 20s can outperform a much larger amount invested in your 30s or 40s. Compound interest rewards patience and consistency. It's not about quick wins. It's about steady, exponential growth over decades. Why time is your greatest financial asset. Let's look at a powerful example. Suppose a 25-year-old invests $5,000 one time and earns an average 10% annual return. By age 60, that single investment could grow to around $140,000. Now imagine waiting just 5 years and investing that same $5,000 at age 30. By age 60, it may grow to only about $87,000. That's nearly a $50,000 difference just for waiting 5 years. Time amplifies growth. The earlier you start contributing to your 401k, the longer your money compounds. Even small, consistent contributions can grow into significant wealth. Lesson? Delaying costs more than you think. Compound interest is most powerful when paired with time. Starting early doesn't just give you a head start, it gives your money decades to multiply itself. The impact of consistent contributions. Now let's take it a step further. Instead of investing once, imagine contributing $5,000 per year, starting at age 25 for just 10 years, and then stopping. If that money grows at 10% annually until age 65, it could reach over $1.5 million. Now compare that to someone who waits until age 35 and invests the same $5,000 per year for 10 years. By age 65, that amount might grow to roughly $589,000. That's nearly a $1 million difference just from starting 10 years earlier. This example highlights the magic of early and consistent investing. Your 401k contributions, even if they seem small at first, are building a foundation. The earlier you build it, the stronger it becomes. Compound interest rewards those who act early and stay consistent. How 401k contributions supercharge compounding your 401k isn't just a savings account, it's a compounding machine. Each time you contribute from your paycheck, whether bi-weekly or monthly, you're adding new fuel to the engine. More frequent contributions mean more compounding periods. Instead of growth happening once per year, your money compounds continuously as new deposits are invested. And here's where it gets even better: employer matching. Many companies will match your contributions up to a certain percentage. That's essentially free money added to your investment base. That matched money compounds too. If you're not contributing enough to get the full employer match, you're leaving money on the table. Combining your contributions, employer matching, and long-term compounding creates a powerful formula for building wealth inside your 401k. Raises, discipline, and long-term wealth. One overlooked strategy is increasing your 401k contributions when you receive a raise. If your salary increases, consider allocating a portion of that raise directly into your retirement account. Because you never adjusted your lifestyle to that extra income, you're less likely to miss it. But over decades, those incremental increases dramatically boost your compounding power. Compound interest has often been called the most powerful force in finance, a quote frequently attributed to Albert Einstein. Whether he said it or not, the principle holds true. Compounding can turn disciplined saving into long-term financial independence. The combination of time, consistency, employer matching, and increasing contributions transforms your 401k into a wealth-building engine. Small decisions today can create massive results tomorrow. And you create a retirement strategy that works quietly in the background for decades. The bottom line is simple. Start now, even if it's small, even if it feels insignificant. Time and compounding will do the heavy lifting. Thanks for watching. Remember, start small, stay consistent, and let time grow your money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on building your financial future.